Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make the Origami Dragon. This is the dragon right here. It's a very interesting model. It's similar to the crane, but its head, wings, and body and tail are all different. The build is very similar to the crane and you can learn it very easily. Let's get started. To start, we're going to need to get our square paper. If you don't have origami square paper like these, you can take a regular piece of paper, fold this corner to the edge, and cut the end off. Then you'll have a perfect square. So let's begin. So to start, we're going to fold edge to edge. Then we're going to unfold, turn it 90 degrees, and do it again. You're going to unfold again. Now we're going to flip it over, and now do it from corner to corner. Unfold, turn it 90 degrees, do it again. Okay, I'm going to unfold, I'm going to flip it over, and we're going to do the following. So we're going to take these two corners and sort of bring them in onto this square. So it's something like this. And we're going to flatten the top down carefully so we have a little smaller square. After we've done that, we're going to take this edge, place it on the middle line. And we're going to crease it very nicely here. Going to do the same on the other side. And we're going to fold along this edge to bring this top down. Then we unfold these edges, and open up the first flap. So you can open it up and sort of fold along this line with this edge. Sort of place these edges back inside. So that you make a little rhombus or like that. Now we're going to flip it over, do the same thing. So edges to the middle. Fold down the corner. Alright, unfold, open the flap, fold it down, tuck these in. Now we're going to tuck these together, flatten it out, and then go back to the rhombus. Now we're going to sort of open it from the side, take this flap and tuck it in. To make a little triangle there. And then do the same thing with the other side. Now we're going to unfold it again. going to take this edge and place it in the middle here. Make sure it doesn't overlap on the other side. Do it again. Then we're going to flip it over and do it again. Now we're going to put these back in. So now it's thinner and not a triangle anymore. Okay, now we're going to take these and fold them down like that. These are going to become the wings. These are going to become the head and tail. So we're going to flip over, stick the wings out a bit. Then we can sort of angle, pull these out a bit like that. So then we have a good start for our neck and our head. So I'm going to choose one end, it doesn't matter which one, and I'm going to fold it down, but leave a lot, so it has sort of a big head, like a crane here. So this is basically the origami crane, but we're going to do the head. It's going to put it back up, so it has like a horn thing. Like this. And now we're going to do the tail. So this may be a bit complicated, so just watch. We're just going to take this, sort of bend it down. Then we're going to take this again and bend it up, but don't unfold this. And then you just keep doing that, down, up. You can adjust however you like. And I'm just going to adjust my head again, because so now your origami dragon should look something a bit like this. So now we're going to make the wings look a bit like this. So it's like jagged, not flat like these. So what we're going to do is keep it like that, and then fold these up a bit, and make sure, flip it over, make sure the back is also at the same exact degree, or else it's going to look a little funky. Like that. And then we're going to take it, so we're going to fold it along this thingy here. So it's like that. I'm going to fold it up again. I like to make a final one that's really small, but you don't have to. Like that. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Sort of like that. That. So basically, if we were to fold with this triangle, if there were no triangle here, you'd be folding along this edge. So now we're going to make this triangle disappear, like on the dragon here. So what we're going to do is unfold the wings a bit. We're going to pull gently on the wings. Started to see that this is going to flatten out. Don't pull too hard or else it may break. And like touch it tightly. This may take a while, so take your time. If you want to make your dragon work and not have a hole in the middle, like what I did accidentally, sort of gotta press it in and sort of like this. And what you're gonna have to do is take the side and sort of raise it up. Press it to the edge. So it's sort of like mountain W shape-ish. And if you successfully did that, then you finished your origami dragon. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.